Welcome to the SSO Automation Playbook. This video details how to bypass Microsoft Azure AD and MFA in Playwright without needing to re-log in on every test run, saving valuable time. The main hurdle is that Playwright's default browser context is ephemeral, lacking session data. This triggers a rigid authentication blockade against the Azure AD firewall, as shown here. Common failure states include the SSO redirect loop, MFA interruptions, and profile file locks. Session expiry and the lack of headless support for consent screens also pose challenges. The core mechanism is session inheritance via persistent context. Microsoft Edge locally stores auth cookies. Playwright's persistent context inherits this authenticated state, bypassing Azure AD. We have two strategic approaches. Approach 1, direct profile, is for local debugging, but requires Edge to be fully closed. Approach 2, extract cookies, is faster, CI-friendly, and ideal for daily pipeline runs. In the environment provisioning phase, first find the Edge profile path by typing edge://version in the Edge browser and copying the profile path value. Then install Edge for Playwright using npx playwright install ms-edge. This code snippet shows how to launch the persistent context. It points to the parent user data folder, forces Playwright to use the Microsoft Edge engine, and selects the specific authenticated profile for direct dashboard access. Key constraints include ensuring Edge is fully closed for Approach 1 to avoid profile lock. Configuration requires passing the correct parent folder path and matching the profile directory. Finally, maintain Git security and refresh tokens every 1 to 8 hours. The payoff is uninterrupted execution. By leveraging Approach 2, the extraction reduces overhead to 5 to 15 kilobytes. This enables a seamless pipeline with fully headless, rapid CI/CD test runs using a single authenticated Microsoft session. Thanks for watching.